Same commute, same desk, same job, zero progression, and zero fulfillment. It can be years before you realize that you are actually wasting your life, and when that feeling does come, it hits hard. Look, you are in a 9 to 5 that you hate. You could be in retail, an office job, whatever it is. I know you do not enjoy it nor find any fulfillment from it, because otherwise you wouldn't be watching a video about how to escape it. Now, when you are in this office environment or job environment, you will know that the conversations, or 90% of the conversations that are going on, revolve around two things. One, what you did last weekend. Two, what you're going to do this coming weekend. At my old job, there was actually a guy who works there who, even on Monday, would say, only 4 more days till Friday. And this would go on. Tuesday, he would say, only a few more days. Wednesday, a couple more days until Friday. He was always on this mindset of, I cannot wait to reach the weekend so I'm no longer here. And throughout Monday to Friday, he was on autopilot. He was basically a robot that was just in the office. Look, when you find yourself surrounded by these people, surrounded by people who care about 2 out of every 7 days, you need to change who you surround yourself with. Having people around who are like this are literally a drain on your internal batteries. They suck the life, the energy, and the happiness out of your life with their countdown to the weekend way of conversing or thinking, or it's just their whole mindset of, I can't wait for my work to be over so I can look forward to getting hammered or doing some dumb shit at the weekend. If you are wanting to escape your 9 to 5, live remotely somewhere like Thailand, earn online, and ultimately achieve some fucking success with your life, then you have to cut these people out. But that's not all that matters. You can't just expect to cut these people out and automatically your life is 10 times better. If you want to live this lifestyle where you have location and financial freedom, you need to surround yourself with people who want the exact same lifestyle. And when I say surround yourself, I don't just mean having that one person online that you speak to who also wants the same thing. I mean, surround yourself. You need a network. You need 10, 20 people in a group setting that all want the same thing. People in all areas of life who are wanting to improve their gym, their mindset, their business, their health. All of this, they are wanting to improve and achieve a life of fulfillment and success that they are actually proud of, okay? You need a network of these people who are going to keep you accountable. They'll support you, they'll guide you, they'll mentor you, and you all ultimately rise to the top together. A group of people who, when you're starting a business, they'll teach you all the lessons. They'll show you the mistakes that they made so you don't have to. When you're wanting to move abroad, they will explain the visa situation. They'll tell you the best places to go. They will look after you. They will give you all the advice and nurturing that you need in order to achieve that lifestyle that you want. Having access to this network is absolutely beyond valuable, okay? Because you cut out so much time, energy, and money that you will spend needlessly if you didn't have this network. But it goes a lot deeper than this, and this is something I've found out in the past couple of months. It's not just about the network and the guidance. There is no point earning a decent amount of money, or there's no point climbing the mountain if you're the only person at the top. I felt like this when I first moved to Thailand. I was by myself. What was the point in escaping a 9 to 5, earning online, if I was sat in this beautiful paradise by myself? Yes, this lifestyle is great, it's good fun, but it's nothing if I didn't have people to share it with. If I didn't have others who are achieving the same thing where we could share experiences, adventures, trips, and make insane memories together. Like just this week, we did a jet ski challenge where the 4 of us would do 2 teams of 2. We'd race to this island out in the sea. We had to climb to the top, get a rock, and then bring it back down and race back. And that was fun. We got some, can't see it now, got some battle scars though, okay? And it was such a fun day. And I wouldn't have enjoyed any of that if I just got here and I just didn't have this network of brothers that I can hang out with. And I know the question that is running through your mind, how can I find them? And I know it's difficult, especially if you are younger. where can I find these people? No one at my school or my university or in my local town. No one thinks like this. No one's aiming for this life of freedom. Look, it's something that I really struggled with, and eventually, yeah, I got that network, and I've got a brotherhood that I am insanely happy to be a part of. But it wasn't easy. So for you guys, I've created the network myself. I've created a place where you can not only learn the skills to create your own online income, as well as give you access to all the knowledge that it takes to do exactly what I did with escaping the 9-to-5 and living a life of freedom. You're going to get personal support by me, guidance, tips, advice on building your personal brand, visas, where to move to, how to quit your job, how much you need to be earning, how to get clients. All of this stuff you will have access to in my new membership, the Escape Route. This is designed specifically for those wanting to escape their dull 9-to-5 jobs that they're sick of. They know they need more from life. And this is going to show you how to set up your online agency. It's going to show you everything you need for less than £1.50 a day. That is less than the cost of a coffee. That's about half the price of a coffee a day, okay? And you can learn a wealth of things about how to escape your job, start living remote, earning online, have that financial and location freedom that I know you want because you're watching this video. So if you are one of those looking to take that action and start living a life of freedom for the cost of a gym membership every month, then click the link below and I will see you in there.